Canes start off with a sweep to the left. Eagles defense is there if they stop. No game on the play. It'll bring up second down. Oh, fumble on the play. Canes mishandled the snap, but they jump back on it.
They ain't call all sides.
Cut it back inside. Picks up. Let's go, Eagles! Eagles lined up on the 20. First and 10. And the QB keeper to the left. Breaks one tackle, Vamos. After the turnover, Canes take over. First and 10 from the 20. Try to run outside to the left. Eagles defense is there.
Stop moving, Salih.
Keep up the middle. He is game tackling with a lot of scrimmage. The handoff for Sandy's over.
You can steal so many plays.
Or so. Oh, another fumble on handoff.
Come on, can I get that coverage behind y'all?
Hey, y'all gotta get that.
Run up the right, passes it outside. First one tackle, and he is finally brought down inside the 20. He is gang tackled around a 10. Tackle in the backfield. Bouncing right side. There's a good tackle. And they give her a touchdown. Line up for the conversion attempt. On the outside, he is going to be in for the conversion. Still on his feet. Nice run on foot. If you're not already gear up, you're going to meet your team over by the trees. And a good second of backfield by the Eagles defense. The fumble. Keeper taking back to the right. He's got enough for a first. He might be in. He might be in. Actually, Fries will get a touchdown. Little Hurricanes. Hurricanes going to be snuffed out by the Eagles. Here we go. He went out to the left side. Catch it right there. Each out across the 50. That's enough for a first down. Second and 10 is a keeper. Thompson's about to the right. He's brought down just shy of the 40. Push up to the 35. Another quarterback keeper to the right. Broke one tackle. Breaks another tackle. He's out to the races. He's going to go for the touchdown. Lakewood Eagles. Conversion attempt's no good. Outside by the Hurricanes. That's a down across the Eagles' 40. But there's a flag. Like a sack by the Eagles' defense. Cost tripped up in the backfield and dropped for a sack. And that'll do it for the first half. Eagles win the 13-6. Hand off up the middle. Oh, nice jump cut there. Gets it out across the 50. Gets it out across the 50. Cold start on the Eagles. To the right, he's going to be sacked for a loss on the play. There's a keeper. And off to the left, bounces it outside, and he's good. Makes legs and a touchdown. Eagles line it up for the point after attempt. Looking for the pass, but he's going to be brought down for a sack. Conversion is no good. Score remains 19. That is a keeper. Tries to bounce it out left. Got the edge. One more to beat. Brought down around that 30-yard line. Good for a touchdown, Hurricane. Conversion attempt is good. And makes the score now. Run up the middle, bounces it outside, and he's going to be on the edge. Flag down the 45-yard line. up the middle. Now the Eagles gets it down across the 30. Another keeper up the middle. Sit down. Another run up the middle by the Eagles. Not sure if he got it. The QB keeper running out to the right, breaks one tackle in the backfield. He is game tackled after a gain of a couple yards. And QB keeper off to the right. Gets another couple. A short run up the middle. Big foot down play for both teams right here. The QB keeper takes it off to the left. It's around the corner. Takes that tackle on the sideline. And he is finally drawn down around the 47. The QB keeper by the Hurricanes. It was blocked out for a sack behind the line. Lost a couple yards on the play. And he is going to the races. He's going to catch it with almost 7 yards. That's going to be a touchdown. Hurricanes. They tie the game up.
Fourth quarter.
it started. Trying to bounce it outside the leg. Brought down. Conversion no good. The Eagles leading 25-19 with 53 seconds left. And you want to see to the right by the quarterback. He is brought down in the backfield for the loss.